Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everybody, anywhere in the world. Maybe some countries good morning, some countries good day, some countries good midday, and even different times and different countries. Okay, inshallah, I hope you understand my this evening video, small video. Inshallah, I hope you listen and see. This is my fish farm. You see around me my fish farm in Gilgit-Baltistan, the village name of Mominabad. Okay, small fish farm, and Alhamdulillah, we started before 5 years ago. We are here four partners. Combine started. Inshallah, at this time, first year, we are very face different types of problems. Therefore, we are new for this business. Nobody have here and guide us. Government of Pakistani, Government of GB, the people of Department of Fisheries, they all people give us good guidance. Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you, all Department of Gilgit-Baltistan. But we are new. We face different type of problems, feed problems, weather problems, and water problems. We have completely water come from the glaciers 24 hours, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Okay, you see top of this mountain. I give you a near the face of this mountain, back side from this big mountain. Okay, there was we have Alhamdulillah very good and big glacier. I think this glacier we two three villages combined have God give us gift from this glacier. Every time we have God provide us very beautiful and sweet water here. Therefore we some partners I gave decision, and after I arranged the three other partners, after we started combine this business. Alhamdulillah, very good. I hope Government of Pakistan give us help, maybe 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore rupees. We have, you see front of me, behind this, front of this uh, fish farm, back side of this fish farm, right left side of this farm, we are all partners. We are very lucky. We have big amount of land. Therefore we request anybody from other countries, from Pakistan, from all cities of Pakistan, government of Pakistan, GB, anybody interested with us combine this business, upgrade and develop, maybe 5 crore, 10 crore rupees invest here. Anybody interested and try contact with us, come here, village Mominabad after a store, post office Pakora. Everybody know the Department of Fisheries Gilgit-Baltistan about our this fish farm. Inshallah, I hope anybody interested come here and discuss with us. Inshallah, maybe 100 questions you have. Inshallah, we give you answer. I give you answer. We partners give you answer. I ask some questions to you. You give me answer. You give us answer. After we are two parties are satisfied, we started this business. Here many people available, maybe 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh rupees, but we are not required 5, 10 lakh, 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore rupees required. This area have a very big land. Maybe after complete this our business, and we are happy. Maybe 1 year 2 crore, 3 crore, maybe 1 month 2 crore, 3 crore rupees profit. After we started very good 4 5 crore hotel business. Therefore I give you this very nice and beautiful video, and God give me this idea this evening time in my mind. Therefore I recorded my this idea. Maybe I forget it after 20 minutes, after 1 hour. Therefore quickly I open my this mobile and I record it. Therefore inshallah I you know this my video available in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. YouTube have my own channel. The name of my channel Darwaza Ban Karo. You search on the YouTube, Instagram, and Muhammad Nawaz is my complete name. Darwaza Ban Karo is the my channel name. Okay, inshallah, everybody happy with me. You join, continue my this channel. Forward your friends, your relative, your other friends, your groups, WhatsApp groups, other different type of groups available in these days. Therefore, we have advanced technology around us. Okay. Therefore, inshallah, thank you. I hope you like and subscribe my this channel. Thank you, everybody. You look around me. We have very beautiful villages around me, backside of me, right me, left me, front of me, top of our fish farm. We are lucky people. Okay, thank you. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah, God give us good gift from the God side anywhere. So thank you from around the world.